Across East Africa, governments have made major investments in education. Tens of thousands of new teachers have been recruited, and tens of thousands of classrooms have been built. The governments have even scrapped primary school fees as they try to get all children to attend school. We should be celebrating these developments, right?
Well, it is not that simple. Education is about more than just counting numbers. Does anybody know what actually happens in schools and classrooms? When we send our children to school every morning, do we know what they do all day? Do we know who teaches them and what they learn? Despite growth in the number of schools and enrollment figures, we must ask ourselves,
are our children learning? This is where Uwezo comes in. Our motivation is simple. We send children to school because we expect them to learn. Of course, we expect schools to have motivated teachers and a safe and welcoming environment. But most importantly, we expect our children to learn, to become successful, and become productive members of our communities.
The evidence, however, tells us that many children across East Africa are not learning. How do we know this? By partnering with over 350 local organizations and with the support of over 22,000 volunteers, Uwezo conducts an annual assessment that tests over 350,000 children in basic literacy and numeracy competency.
By using simple tests and a simple data collection tool, citizens are able to both understand and carry out this large-scale research themselves. By signing up as Uwezo volunteers, citizens across East Africa demonstrate their interest and concern in understanding why learning levels are low and devise their own solutions to help better the situation.